you see where it takes you.
Tama. All Filipino lineup itong back set. And that works right away for Diana Carlos. First point para sa University of the Philippines.
And that's what you like to see, Tots. Carlos on. Tayong magulat.
Pati sinigang, no? Man, sa back set to Sue Roses down the line. And pasok
That's right. That's all too familiar. Running spike.
on attacks. Mans, pumunta kay Sue Roses.
Oh, perfect
Nailaglag
place
pa.
ball. Kita niya, malayo-layo pa itong si Geyser. Talaga namang si Sue.
Roses with the first ball. Mans to Morel from the back row. Puntos.
Morel getting a little bit of an angle.
Itong Bali Pure. Mans to Morel.
And look at her. Walang sayang na motion inside the court. She's a big girl.
Si Morel and Mans pupunta kay Sue Roses. Nakalusot sa blockers. Diyan po tatapos ang ating first set. In crash.
Pareho. Ay, nakakainis ka. Yun lagi order ko.
Talaga?
Gaya-gaya ka.
Up by 2. Their team captain, Kathy Bersola with a service ace.
There you go. Bersola getting an ace. And that up.
Guys are doing a good job with the floor defense, but Bali Pure winning. Check ball. Kate Morel wins.
That's right. Morel for this time.
Caldereta. Yan yung baka ipatikim niya kay Hailey Mans.
Inaalam mo.
Kaya kung ano yan eh. Ang tawag yung slab book.
Oo nga.
Alam mo mga trivia.
So, dapat puntahan nila ng puntahan, ha?
That's right. Mans to Morel. And nobody home on that cross-court hit. Kumbaga, let's see kung tatapusin na muli ng Bali Pure. They go to Morel and they do finish the second set off of that check ball. Kate Morel.
And so far, ito naman, ating score. Carlos with 5 points.
Ang Bali Pure pala.
Oo.
Pagka ako Ateneo natin na yun. No?
Kasi naka-blue.
At pura tinista.
Sabi?
Parang Bali Pure but of course, parang semi-battle. Morel, a free ball para sa UP.
Oh, there you go. That's Carlos from the back row.
And quick again to Ahumero.
And Amy with that power tip.
City National High School.
Layo, no?
Uh-huh.
And Chara with a running hit gets that one to go.
Soriano, smile and score. Then, good coverage. Morel this time. Lumusot na naman sa blockers.
Sayang lumusot lang. Persona not able to close out the block.
Mozi na nanggaling sa dalawang pagkatalo yung UP. And then they won in their last match. Of course, they're a little bit down in the team standings. Pero Mans will go to
nice
Roses.
back set.
Yes, and that will be the ball game in the match. Nagtatapos in favor of Bali Pure. Straight sets. And we will have our curtain call. Tatapusin namin ang coverage ng ating labanan sa pagitan ng UP at Bali Pure. Kami po yung magbabalik.